The following video introduces the 3-button ABB Welcome Audio Handset indoor station. Topics covered in this video are unlocking a door and how to assign functions to programmable buttons 1 and 2. The unlock button is represented by the key icon and is located at the top of the unit. To unlock a door, simply remove the handset and press the unlock button. You'll hear a beep and the red light will blink 3 times. Programmable buttons 1 and 2 can each be configured to perform one of the following functions: call a guard unit, activate a switch actuator, serve as an intercom between apartments and other indoor stations within your own home, and open a second lock. In this video, we'll review how to configure Programmable Button 1 to call the guard unit and Programmable Button 2 to call another apartment. Out of the box, buttons 1 and 2 are unassigned. To enter the programming mode, hold down the button you wish to program until the blue light turns solid. Now you're in program mode for button 1. There are 5 different programming codes that can be activated with each additional press of the button. With each press, the blue light will blink in increments that represent each programming code. Referring to the operations section of your instruction manual, you'll notice that function code 4 is used to call the guard unit. So when we press the button again, you'll notice the light will begin blinking in different increments. Here, it blinks once, representing code 1. Press the button again and it blinks twice, representing code 2. Press again to achieve code 3. And press a 4th time to enter code 4. And as you can see, the blue light blinks 4 times. Now we're in guard unit call mode. To store the code, press and hold button 1 until the red light appears and flashes along with the blue light. Now the button is set up to call the guard unit. So when we lift the handset and press number 1, it calls the guard unit. Next, we'll program button 2 to call apartment number 35. Enter the programming mode by holding down the 2 button until the light turns blue. Refer to the operations section of your instruction manual and you'll see that function code number 3 is used to set up the intercom function between apartments. The blue light is solid, which means it is in programming mode. The 1 button is always used to change codes, so press the 1 button until the blue light blinks 3 times. So now that we're in function code 3 for the 2 button, we must program the button so it can intercom call apartment number 35. To do this, hold down the 2 button until the red light appears. Notice that the red light remains solid, which means we're ready to enter the appropriate apartment number. At this point, the red light will represent tens and the blue light signifies single digits in our programming. A combination of the unlock button and 1 button will be used to program the number 35. Begin by pressing the 2 button again to give you the ability to enter the apartment number. Now, press the unlock door button until the red light blinks 3 times, signifying 30. Here, you would have 10. Here, you would have 20 because it's blinking twice. And finally, we have 3 blinks, which represents 30. A solid blue light represents 0, so at this point, we are set up to call apartment number 30. Press the 1 button, and that would represent apartment 31 at this time. Press again for apartment 32. Press again for 33. Again for 34. And one last time for 35. As you can see, the red light is blinking 3 times, and the blue light is blinking 5 times. We're now set up to call apartment number 35. To lock that number in, press and hold the 2 button until the red and blue buttons flash simultaneously. Now, just lift the handset, press the number 2 button, and you've successfully called apartment number 35 using the intercom function.